So why why are spies, as it says in your, assuming your book says this as well, but why are spies the best salespeople?
Yeah, I call them the world's best salespeople. Because look, they're called. I call them that because I like to say that there's no harder sale you could possibly make than convincing someone to buy into treason against their own country or organization. So they make what I consider to be the most difficult sale, and the way that they do that and how they navigate, again, spies don't necessarily pitch people they would choose to go on a round of golf with. They often have to pitch and get to know terrorists, criminals, diplomats from some really bad places. And they have to leverage radical empathy and use some other skills to get over those compunctions to make their sale. That's one of the many ways that spies are so good at focusing on their mission, focusing on making that sale, and blocking out all those other things by using human nature, by using intellectual curiosity, by remembering that even the worst people have a kernel of humanity, of something good in them.